Did you know that according to the National Association of Realtors home buyers and home sellers profile, that less than 3% of homes sell from an open house? This technique is often used because it is difficult to learn digital marketing and the fear of technology can be so overwhelming for a lot of people. Luckily, we at Homes by Lei, we specialize at using relevant 21st century practices, and all of our homes receive a massive digital online footprint. Our homes show up where buyers are looking, which according to NAR is online. In fact, 93% of buyers start their home search online. We specialize in exposing our homes online at Homes by Lei. Hi everyone, my name is Lei Villar-Cisneros, founder of Homes by Lei and broker with Right at Home Realty. You see, here's the problem. Most homes are still being sold the way they were taught to sell them 20 years ago or even 1 year ago. We specialize in exposing your home to thousands of people, and we are able to retarget our homes to people who previously had shown interest in a home similar to the ones that we currently have for sale. And that home could be yours. We specialize in reaching the masses, and this is so very important. It's vital. So mastering digital marketing and social media is so important. And hiring an agent who has mastered the ability to do this will only equate to more money in your pocket. You see, creating a vast digital marketing footprint and targeting buyers is just as important to us as giving our sellers high-quality touches throughout the experience. Experienced negotiations, outstanding customer service are also super important. We believe it's essential to give your home the exposure it deserves and to give you the experience and customer service that you should expect. Even though homes are selling due to limited inventory very quickly at the moment, we still know that lack of digital marketing and exposure will end up costing your sellers more money than they might realize. So we go above and beyond in this manner. I know that everyone knows an agent, but be sure to leave your most valuable asset in the hands of someone who truly is qualified to sell, market, and negotiate on your behalf. Call us. You'll be amazed at the level of service and the unique strategies that we use to get your home sold. And don't forget, we sell homes both big and small, and they all get the same specialized 97-point marketing plan that is relevant to today's market. And remember, whether you're buying or selling a home, it starts with a dream. And at Homes by Lei, we'll make that dream come home.